The heating and cooling system in this home is called a split forced air system, which means one part of the unit is inside where you have your air handler, then you have the second part of it, which is your air conditioner condenser. Now, if you have this type of system, which a lot of people do, it's the most common type of heating and cooling system out there, you're looking at a life expectancy between 12 and 15 years. So if you're faced with replacing your unit, here's some very important stuff you need to know. First of all, you want to get the highest SEER rating that you can afford. That seasonal energy efficiency ratio ranges from 13 to 23. The higher the number, the more efficient the system will be. Also, the higher the number, the more expensive it'll be. So whatever the budget will allow, but the higher the number, the more money you'll save on your energy bill. But in order to make your system last as long as possible, make sure you have it serviced at least once a year by a professional heating and cooling contractor. And another thing you can do that won't cost you anything is keep everything clear around the outside unit. Don't let it grow up like these homeowners have done. Make sure you trim all of that back, get any vines that are growing up around it, trim those back, and occasionally turn the system off. Use your water hose to blast away any of the debris that may settle against the unit. That'll keep it from rusting and make it last a long time, and you can put that big expense off as long as possible.